In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam can't find installed games. If Steam suddenly isn't showing games that you already have installed, don't worry. In many cases, this is just a library detection issue, and it can often be fixed in a few simple checks inside Steam itself. We'll go through the most reliable things to do so Steam can recognize your existing game files again. First, close Steam completely. Make sure it's not still running in the background. Then reopen it and check whether your games appear. This is the quickest fix, and it's always worth trying first because sometimes Steam just needs a clean restart to refresh your installed library list. Once Steam opens again, look through your library and see if the missing titles are back. If your games still aren't showing, the next thing to check is whether the correct Steam library folder is added. Steam needs to know exactly where your games are installed. If that storage location isn't listed properly, the platform may act like the games aren't installed, even though the files are still on your drive. To check this, open Steam, then go to Steam, Settings, and Storage. This is where Steam keeps track of your game library locations. Once you're there, look carefully to see whether the drive containing your games is listed. If your games were installed on a secondary drive or another folder outside the default location, this is especially important to confirm. If the correct drive or folder is missing, click Add Drive or Add Library Folder, then select the folder where your Steam games are installed. Be careful to choose the actual Steam library location, not just the general drive, if your games are stored inside a specific Steam folder. After adding it, give Steam a moment to refresh and detect the installed files. If the library location is already there, but Steam still can't recognize the games, the next step is to repair the Steam library folder. Go back to Steam, then Settings, then Storage. Select the affected library, open the three-dot menu, and choose Repair Library. This helps Steam fix issues related to that library folder and can restore proper detection of installed games without requiring a full reinstall. After the repair finishes, check your library again and see whether the games now appear correctly. In many cases, one of these fixes is enough to solve the problem. If you follow each step carefully, Steam should be able to find your installed games and get everything back to normal.